Hello students. Mutual funds pool the assets and helps us in investing in different industries and different stocks and bonds with the help of investment professionals. Now, these mutual funds have multiple functions such as saving our time and money as well as precisely tailoring our portfolio in order to reach the financial objectives. So, in today's session, let's learn about what are the functions of mutual funds. Mutual funds usually help us by providing the different opportunities in the financial market so that we can explore the fund management. So whenever we are investing in the mutual funds, we are benefited from the professional money managers and their research team. Our fund usually lies in the hands of an experienced crew who understands the financial markets. This means we don't have to spend a lot of time in researching the stock on our own as usually doing when we are investing in the common stocks. Now, mutual fund managers track the financial markets and the day-to-day fluctuations that are happening in the mutual stock market in the different industries, different equities, and helps us to minimize our risk and act according to the fluctuations which are taking place in the stock market. Also, the mutual funds helps us in understanding the fund diversification. Buying a mutual fund gives us the opportunities to buy multiple stocks, bonds or other assets depending on what type of fund it is. Now, this diversified approach minimizes the effect of the price fluctuations in a single asset. The more assets we own, the less overall effect of each individual asset has on the portfolio. And that's why this fund diversification helps us to maximize our returns with the minimum possible risk. Investing in a single mutual fund and that will definitely help us with single investment of mutual fund to diversify, then usually how much diversification we would have had in other ways if we would have invested in a stock. So buying multiple mutual funds including bonds, the stocks and the money market instruments provides a diversification level which is nearly impossible to achieve by purchasing stocks and bonds one at a time. Now this is the most useful and the beneficial advantage and the function of a mutual fund. Also, mutual funds helps us in evaluating the cost effectiveness when compared to investing directly in the stock market where you have to pay a hefty amount of brokerage. Mutual fund investments will have some of the mutual funds will have in fact even zero or just 0.5% of fees. Now, whenever we are investing in a mutual fund, when a mutual fund is bought, investors have to pay a commission as well as an yearly management fee. But compared to the stocks, this is very, very less, ranging from just 1% of the total investment to few points, sometimes even nil exit loads. This fee usually compensates the fund controllers and for managing the and invest our money in such a way that because there are mutual fund houses pool money from the huge amount of different number of investors. Now since they are holding this multiple assets, so purchasing all those assets individually to attain a similar kind of diversification level on an investors own would have been nearly impossible, and that would be even more expensive, and it would also charges higher brokerage fees. So mutual funds also helps us in order to save our fees and get a cost effective investment portfolio. Fine. Also the mutual funds will usually helps us whenever we go for precisely planning the investment goals. We It helps us for assessing our goals and letting us to tailor our portfolios in order to meet a specific investment objectives by purchasing different types of funds. Like for example, your investment goal is for saving the tax, then you can invest in the taxation funds. The mutual funds also range from conservative, lower risk to an exotic and a high risk profiles. So based on what is our risk taking capacity, we can invest in the different types of mutual fund products. Also the mutual funds investments which are into bonds and the money market funds have a lowest risk compared to the investments in the equity and direct index stocks. Fine. So investments in the bonds and the money market investment can relatively may give us a steady and a stable returns. So the returns are comparatively smaller compared to the returns that you earn on the stock market. The returns will be stable, as well as the risk involved in investments in the bonds and the money market instruments are less. Also the mutual fund investments, when we are investing in the investing, we can plan for whether to invest in the domestic funds or in the foreign stocks. So we can plan our risks accordingly. Now fund invested in the domestic and the foreign stocks are riskier than the bond funds, but overall long haul usually provides an higher returns. So this is the one of the best advantage that mutual fund can give us. Also the other function of mutual fund is money management. Now mutual fund investments is carefully managed by a fund managers, a professionally well qualified fund managers who settle on a plan of action as to how and when and where the money is to be parked. Whatever the returns that are generated on the underlying securities are distributed among the investors of that schemes. So this is the one more function of mutual funds. Also mutual funds helps the investors in mobilization of his savings. Mutual funds are one of the most important financial institutions which helps in mobilization of savings, which ultimately helps in the economic development of the country, as funds are utilized by the corporates, which in turn provide better products and services. They also generate employment and also provide a good amount of return to the mutual fund investors. Also mutual fund investments function is for minimizing the investment risk. Now mutual funds usually try to minimize the overall risk of investments whenever you are investing in a planned diversified portfolio in such a way that mutual fund managers will adopt various strategies and also take due diligence, so that our investments risks are minimized as compared to the stock market investments, which wherein we have to directly invest, and that too after taking a lot of time in researching the stocks, and also there is a chance of losing heavily if that particular equity is not giving you a good amount of returns. Also one more function of mutual fund is moving by set objectives. Now Every mutual fund scheme is required to define a broad investment objectives which will follow. The investment by the scheme will then move only as per those objectives that were mentioned in the offer document. So the mutual fund products exactly move as per the objectives which were mentioned in the mutual fund documents. So these are the different functions of mutual funds that helps an investors to get a maximum return with a minimum possible risk being involved. So if we have to quickly recapitulate, mutual fund investments instruments are designed in order to provide the investors with a growth or income. Now diversification minimizes the risk levels because investors are not reliant on performance of any one security or any one particular sector of the economy. So mutual funds helps in overall economic development, mobilization of savings, as well as mutual funds helps in getting good returns with the lowest possible risk to the mutual fund investors. So these are the different functions of mutual fund investments. Thank you.